How to set up TP-Link Repeater via Tether App. There are 3 ways to set up the TP-Link Repeater: through Tether App, WPS, or web browser. This video features the setup process using TP-Link Tether App. For other methods, please refer links in the description. Let's begin. Power on your repeater by plugging it near your main router. Before starting setup, download the TP-Link Tether app in your phone. Open the app and log into the app with TP-Link ID. If you don't have any TP-Link ID, then create it by tapping Sign Up option. Enter name, email ID, password, confirm password, to create the TP-Link account. In the app after login, tap on the icon to add a TP-Link device to connect with Repeater network. Select Range Extender and choose TP-Link Extender's Wi-Fi network. Enter the name and password of the host network which you want to extend and tap Connect. Then create the extended network by typing its name and new password. You can also assign same password as the host router. Tap Next and wait for a few minutes so that extender applies the settings. After that, you can plug your extender anywhere in your house, but you should maintain the distance 20 to 40 feet between the router and extender. Now, you can connect to the extended network and enjoy uninterrupted connectivity. In case you are stuck with TP-Link Extender's configuration, feel free to leave your query in the comment box. We will be happy to assist you. Thanks for watching.